2080. What is your monthly telephone?
15K.
What is your monthly telephone?
My company base.
Excellent. Then this presentation is not for you. For all others, you need to listen to it, how you can save your money on the telephone calls. Third Toastmasters, most welcome guest, good evening.
Good evening.
Communication is what we lack these days. And after that too, after having a lot of smartphones, we hardly talk to our parents or our friends who are back in India or staying somewhere abroad. We tend to do chatting, Facebooking and Twitters. Let me show you one example.
Jeez.
Hardly any time to talk. We have our fellow family members around us, but we are using our smartphones. That too, spending a lot of money on the telephone calls. So here I am going to share some of the new technologies, how to start communicating rather than tweeting and Facebooking and sending the chat messages. Why you need VoIP? The concept I am going to tell you about is a voice over IP rather than using a normal telephone line which shoots hundreds of dinars and 50 and 40 dinars of your monthly bill. How you can save money on that? Why you need VoIP? If you are married, definitely your wife needs to call his mother, you need to call your mother. Plus you need to call your wife's mother, and mother's mother, and aunties and uncles. Definitely, you are going to spend a lot of money every month and every week by calling so many relative members. Are you living away from your home? Definitely, we all are expatriate, we are living away. Communication is utmost required, and not our grandparents and parents are not very user-friendly on VoIP phones. They know only how to hello and yes, hi and bye. They hardly know how to tweet or send a message over the Facebook. Are you spending too much money on telephone bills? We have seen the example, 30 KD, 40 KD, 50 KD. Some are lucky to get paid by their companies. And if you are a frequent traveler, you need to call your wife or your children back home. But imagine calling or a roaming. It's going to cost you 3 times or 4 times more. What is the solution for that? There is a new technology which has been emerged many number of years, which is now picking up very well. It's called voice over IP. Voice over IP is nothing but using the digital technology for making calls over the internet protocol. Now everybody is using internet, either they have a broadband in the home or lease line in the office or having a data line on their mobile. What they need to do is simply use those technology for communicating over the internet rather than using analog line calling through government network using PSP or analog line, which is very costly. Definitely a mobile bill shoots up or a landline bill shoots up at a very high rate. How does the VoIP work? The VoIP works on technology. It is not using a normal PSP line or analog model. It is using the internet communication for that. Either you can use your existing telephone line and buy a simple adapter, or you can use your smartphone for using that. Instead of using analog, you are using a digital. How it operates is, you have your service provider in between, which is an internet service provider. You have your normal telephone and buy a simple adapter which connects to your regular modem and you dial through that. Okay, you are using your same analog phone, but it is dialing actually from the internet and not from your telecom operator or Ministry of Information or Ministry of Communication in our case. These are very simple and easy to configure. It does not require any technical knowledge. You just plug and play, and there are very easy guides available for that. There are a number of of benefits for that. First, it reduces the telephone bill drastically. Reduce the telephone bill. You are hardly paying whatever internet charges you are paying per month, which is 10 KT, you are using over that. Internet is available freely, either you are using at a cafe or in the office or at home. It's very easily available. Rather than buying expensive, rather than paying more bills to the Ministry of Communication, there are applications available which you can use it as a voice-to-voice communication. Rather than dialing to a landline, you have a smartphone, give it to the other person, and you can use applications like, this is an automated show, it's moving faster than whatever there is. You can use applications like Skype, OneEdge, and many other free to use it for a voice-to-voice communication instead of calling to a landline. Even when you top up, if you want to call a landline or a mobile phone using these applications, you have to pay an extra cost, which is quite less than what you pay to the Ministry of Communication. The next thing coming up is the VoIP over Wi-Fi. And these are the examples of the product which you see. These are the examples which works over the Wi-Fi also. You don't need a data connection on your mobile phone. If you want to save money on data connection, use it over the Wi-Fi and you can communicate with your family members and your friends. For the corporate, if you are running a business of your own, how it will cost save the money for you? You have your remote office. Rather than communicating long distance calls over ISD, you can set up an internet-based connection. You have internet here, you have internet on your other office location. Using the internet, put two devices, one device on your ingoing office, one for example in New York office, and you can use the VoIP and it calls, you will feel as if you are dialing a local number instead of dialing an international number. Significant saving in the international calling. It reduces your operating cost because if you are in a business where you are required to call frequently to your other office or where you have your staff located and you are traveling around, using VoIP technology you can save a lot of money on your operating expenses. Definitely improves mobility. When you are traveling abroad, you don't need to worry about the ISD calls and international roaming number. You have your Wi-Fi, you have your smartphone, using Wi-Fi technology, using these apps which I am showing here. You can easily call your friends and your family member or back in your office and you can have a clear-cut communication with them. The quality of call has significantly improved as it was compared to last 5 years. Before, yes, using call VoIP, you get a lot of disturbance because the connection was very low. Hardly people used to use 60 Kbps or maybe 64 Kbps. But now any normal person, even on the mobile phone, you have a 5 MB connection data line. This gives you a very clear service, which is called QoS, quality of service. So the call quality is as good as if you are calling to a opposite person using your normal landline or a mobile line. And service provisioning, there are a number of players internationally and locally who can set up this VoIP technology within your environment, in your office, and you can start using it within a couple of hours. You don't have to wait for 1 month for government to come and install the telephone line for you and you pay the cost of 1,000 KT for having international service line for that. Of course, all benefits come with a certain number of limitations. One is you are dependent on the internet. If there is no internet, you cannot operate, so you cannot call using the VoIP. Data mobile, if you have it, you need to have a data line. You cannot just use it a normal mobile GSM network for using the VoIP calls. You need a data connection for that, which is an extra expense. You are dependent on your internet service provider or your mobile operator. If the ISP has blocked the particular connection for you, you cannot operate or cannot use it. In many countries like UAE, the SLR has blocked government. Here, at a higher level, at a personal level, it is blocked like with government, but at a corporate level, it is allowed to have a VoIP connection between the number of offices. To summarize, rather than using a chat and using it your Facebook and Twitter, start using your VoIP service, which is almost free if you are having app-to-app connection, or if you are trying to call landline for your mother or parents or back in India, using a VoIP is very cheap. So start communicating with them rather than sending SMS messages to them. Yeah, say more than hi and bye. Instead, talk more. I mean, you can deliver your next speech over the VoIP when you're traveling abroad. Back to you.